Tired of freezing in your garage during winter? Today, we're breaking down the best ceiling-mounted garage heaters that will turn your cold workspace into a warm, cozy haven. From powerful units that heat large garages to energy-efficient options that save on your bills, we've got all the top picks lined up. Make sure to check the full product links in the description below to grab the perfect heater for your garage. Dr. Infrared Heater 7500 Watt Garage Electric Heater. Transform any indoor space into a warm, comfortable environment during cold months. The Dr. Infrared Heater DR975 delivers 7,500 watts of powerful forced air heating, capable of covering up to 800 square feet. Designed for both ceiling and wall mounting, it includes a bracket for flexible installation. Its heavy-duty spiral steel metal sheath heating elements provide uniform heat while ensuring long-lasting performance. Equipped with a remote-controlled thermostat, users can easily adjust the temperature between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. 5 adjustable louvers allow precise airflow direction, distributing warmth evenly throughout the room. The fully enclosed, thermally protected ball-bearing motor operates quietly and requires minimal maintenance. UL and CUL listed for safety, it also features overheat protection and a timer function. Customers praise the DR975 for its impressive heat output and simple installation, noting it provides consistent warmth even in large garages. While some report the fan can be noisy, the majority find it quiet and efficient, making it a reliable solution for commercial or residential workshop environments. Oilless Electric Garage Heater. Experience rapid warmth and consistent indoor comfort even during freezing weather. The Oilless Electric Garage Heater offers 3 powerful heat settings: 3,300 watts, 6,600 watts, and 10,000 watt, ensuring fast heating and stable temperatures. This 240-volt hardwired heater features adjustable airflow through multi-directional louvers and supports 4 tilt angles for precise heat distribution. The bright LED digital display allows accurate temperature control from 45 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit with plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit precision. A full-function remote enables effortless operation, including temperature adjustment, mode selection, timer setting, and Celsius/Fahrenheit switching. Built for safety and durability, it comes with overheat protection, a 50-amp fuse capacity, and energy-efficient performance. Users appreciate its ability to heat a large garage quickly, highlighting its effective airflow and reliable temperature maintenance. The sturdy cabinet and energy-efficient design make it ideal for garages, workshops, and basements. While installation requires professional hardwiring, customers report the investment is worthwhile for the immediate warmth and long-term performance, praising its precise controls and fast heat delivery. InoKraft 7500 Watt Electric Garage Heater. Stay warm and productive in large spaces with this powerful wall-mounted heating solution. The InoKraft 7500 Watt Garage Heater quickly heats areas up to 750 square feet using fan-forced heating. Designed for flexibility, it offers high-low power modes and an intelligent EKO mode that automatically adjusts output for energy savings without sacrificing comfort. A built-in digital thermostat provides precise temperature control from 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 99 degrees Fahrenheit, with an optional 1 to 24-hour timer for convenient scheduling. The unit includes adjustable louvers with 5-angle settings, allowing targeted heat distribution for optimal comfort. Installation is simplified with an 8.2-foot power cord and NEMA 1450p plug, making it ideal for professional or DIY setups. Customers note its rapid heating, quiet operation, and value for money. The remote control is convenient for many, though some report minor connectivity issues. Overall, the InoKraft heater combines efficient performance, safety features such as overheat protection, and flexible installation to meet the needs of garages, workshops, and other sizable indoor areas. Comfort Zone Ceiling Mount Garage Heater. Maximize floor space without compromising warmth in garages, warehouses, or workshops. The Comfort Zone Ceiling Mount Garage Heater provides robust forced air heating with a maximum output of 17,065 British thermal units, efficiently covering spaces up to 1,000 square feet. Its heavy-gauge steel construction ensures long-lasting durability and resistance to temperature fluctuations in poorly insulated areas. Adjustable louvers and a variable mounting angle allow precise heat direction for consistent comfort throughout the room. The dual-knob manual thermostat offers simple and intuitive control, while built-in overheat protection guarantees safe operation. Customers highlight its quick heat distribution and reliable performance, praising the heavy-duty ball-bearing blower motor. While generally quiet, a few users mention slight fan noise, and some report thermostat discrepancies of 5 to 10 degrees. Overall, it is regarded as a value-for-money solution that delivers dependable warmth and durability. Its ceiling mount design frees up workspace, making it ideal for commercial or residential areas where maximizing usable floor space is essential. Turbro 10,000-watt electric garage heater. Bring powerful, rapid heating to large garages or commercial spaces with advanced control features. The Turbro 10,000-watt garage heater provides forced air and convection heating for areas ranging from 1,200 to 2,000 square feet, with a fan ensuring quick and even heat distribution. Wi-Fi-enabled functionality, along with a control panel and remote operation, allows users to manage temperature and timers effortlessly. Adjustable louvers and mounting angles enable precise airflow targeting, improving overall comfort. Safety is paramount with ETL certification, integrated thermostat, and auto shutoff for overheating protection. Professional installation is required due to high power needs, with specific wiring and circuit breaker requirements. Users appreciate the convenience of remote and Wi-Fi controls, though some report inconsistent heat or fan issues. Despite mixed feedback on noise and output, many find it efficient for large spaces, offering flexibility, advanced features, and a wide temperature range for both indoor and outdoor garage applications. Riseon 7,500-watt electric garage heater. Enjoy rapid, reliable heating with advanced controls and wide coverage for large indoor areas. The Riseon 7,500-watt garage heater can warm spaces up to 1,250 square feet, offering 3 power settings: 7,500 watts, 6,250 watts, and fan only, to adapt to changing weather conditions. Its ceiling-mounted design features adjustable louvers and a multi-angle bracket, allowing heat to be directed exactly where needed. A multifunction remote and LED touchscreen provide convenient control, while a built-in thermostat and ECO mode optimize energy efficiency. The unit is constructed with heavy-duty steel and durable heating elements, ensuring long-lasting performance. Safety features include overheat protection and ETL certification. Customers praise its fast heat delivery, high-quality build, and strong airflow, noting warmth can be felt several feet away. The touch and remote controls are convenient, though feedback is mixed regarding panel responsiveness. With hardwired installation and versatile mounting, this heater suits garages, warehouses, workshops, and industrial spaces requiring reliable, powerful heating. Tempware electric garage heater. Efficiently heat a medium to large garage with a versatile ceiling-mounted electric solution. The Tempware electric garage heater delivers up to 17,060 British thermal units using forced air heating, suitable for spaces up to 592 square feet. Its adjustable louvers and variable mounting angles allow targeted heat distribution, while 3 power settings, 3,000 watt, 4,000 watt, 5,000 watt, accommodate different comfort needs. Built-in ECO mode and auto-off timer help reduce energy consumption, and the integrated thermostat ensures precise temperature control from 45 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Safety is reinforced through overheat protection and ETL certification. Users praise its fast heat-up time of 15 to 20 minutes and dependable performance in workshops or garages. While most find the unit quiet and easy to operate, some note louder fan noise and high current draw. Hardwired installation is required for safety, and customers report that the sturdy steel construction feels durable. Overall, this heater provides reliable warmth, energy efficiency, and flexible airflow control for everyday garage heating needs. And that's a wrap on the best ceiling-mounted garage heaters. Whether you're looking for maximum warmth, energy efficiency, or a quiet operation, there's something here for every garage. Don't forget to check the links in the description below to get your favorite heater today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our latest garage and workshop gear reviews.